Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to Watchbox, and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, tmosso at thewatchbox.com. It's in the description below. Your purchase and pricing email question line for buying this or any watch you see on our channel, our website, or social media. Reach out to me directly, tmosso at thewatchbox.com. Today, we are discussing the second generation Sinn reference 1800 Damaszener. Identically mechanical, identically sized, and identically tough compared to the 2015 original. This one is more expressive of its Damascus steel and better detailed. 100 pieces from 2018. Let's see how it fits. 43 millimeters in diameter. This is how Sinn does a dress watch. Substantial in size and specification. The watch is nevertheless thin in profile at only 10.3 millimeters thick and 50.2 millimeters lug to lug, with a spacing of 22 millimeters between the lugs, so it has a nice broad modern stance on the wrist. Again, this is how Sinn does a dress style watch. It's still rugged, it's still substantial, it's still legible, but you can see how it'll fit easily under a cuff because it's only 10 millimeters thick. Sitting on my 16 centimeter circumference wrist, you get a good sense of its size. I could recommend it for a wrist as small as 14.5 centimeters circumference. Taking a look at the hardware and the software, you can see that Sinn really leaves nothing to chance. They give you a surprisingly thick and robust strap in calfskin with a contrasting black binding, a sheer cut edge, and you can see it's identical on the underside. This is a new Sinn factory strap in outstanding condition. You can see it is a Sinn factory strap. It's a medium brown, and this is where the attention to detail comes into play. As the original Damaszener 1800 didn't have an obviously Damascus steel buckle, both the pin itself and the buckle are also made of the same Damascus steel. Baumbach Damast of Frankfurt makes this steel for Sinn, and it's achieved by creating several different layers of welded stainless steel of different grade and then folding and kneading that material and stabilizing it to create the layered look of vintage Damascus steel. And you'll find it not just on the buckle, a feature unique to the 1800 and not the 1800S that preceded it, but you can see that they also went all in with a Damascus steel crown, and you can see those folds wound into the crown itself. One of the coolest features of this watch is the case. Not the lines, which are fairly standard integrated lug Calatrava style, but the fact that the case is one piece. That means the case, the bezel, and the dial are all one continuous piece of Damascus steel. So you can see the grain running from case into bezel into dial unbroken. It is remarkable, it is unique, and it is very special. On the dial side, you can see that all of the indices are applique, no expense spared. You have both applique indices and Sinn branding, as well as the Damaszener logo, and a little aperture for the date down at 6 o'clock. Everything pops, and there will be a loom shot. You can see how well the Damascus patterns are expressed on this natural steel. As opposed to the blackened Generation 1 Damaszener, this one is far easier to appreciate without looking closely. The other one was a bit too monotone. Now, in addition to being Damascus style steel, it is tegament hardened, which means it's carbon diffused and 1200 Vickers hard externally. There's also a little bit of penetration of the carbon into the material, so unlike a conventional surface coating like Seiko Diashield, this actually has some depth to better resist deep scratches and even some dents. Inside the case, which is 100 meters water resistant, we have an ETA 2892A2 in top grade, which is one down from chronometer, but in-house Sinn adjusts these to keep chronometer time before they leave Frankfurt. Now, the crown is a screw down to help achieve that 100 meter water resistance. You get a good look at it when it's withdrawn. There is a stop seconds or hacking feature. We'll make sure we're through the date change zone. And in addition to hacking seconds, this automatic winding movement features a quick set for the date. The power reserve is 42 hours. The winding action is bidirectional, 21 joules. It beats away at 28,800 vibrations per hour. And of course, as you can see, these are individually numbered. This is number 36 of 100. A very slick watch made in Germany, regulated in Germany, and distinctively German. Nevertheless, it has a little bit of Damascus ancestry. That steel kneading and forming process that's often described as Syrian via Damascus, but probably originated in India prior to that. You can own all of that history and heritage, plus one hell of a German sports dress watch on our website. Sports dress, it's both. Email tmosso at thewatchbox.com. And we're back with the Sinn Damaszener by night. Plenty of loom, sports watch style.